Today we're featuring a 2014 Chevrolet Impala LT. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal red in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, see it's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Driver's side of the Impala looks good. It does have the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in great shape on this Impala. Alright, the only thing I noticed is the bumper just sticking out just ever so slightly right here, right on the corner there. Alright, but other than that, everything's in great shape, perfect shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray and black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it does have the gray leather power driver's seat. Alright, leather's in really good shape. Alright, the trim is leather here and here, but the insert right here, suede insert. Nice lining right here in the seat. Really nice design, but the driver's seat's in great shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat leather and suede is also in good shape. It does have your heated seats. All right, automatic. Got your climate control area there. AM, FM, CD player. And your backup camera display will be there as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio controls. It's got collision alert here. And also lane departure warning here. And there's your rear park assist warning. Alright, let's take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 71,240 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll show you your home page here. I know this says navigation, but it's actually OnStar navigation. You can call and order that, but that's extra. But those are your apps there. Okay, that's your home page. Go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, another cool feature about this Impala, simply hit this button here. Radio comes up. You got a nice convenient USB port charger there for cell phone. You simply hit the button, brings it back down. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problem there. Okay, and it also does have the dual climate controls, driver and passenger, and also your universal remote. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather and suede are in great shape. There's not even a wrinkle in this leather, guys. I'm talking about this brand new looking stuff here. Really nice. Center console comes down, cup holders there. Let me go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. Let's take a look under here. Alright, let's see, you got your spare wheel down there. Alright, but the carpet looks good. Now step to the side, you can really see how far back that goes. There is a ton of room in this Impala. Alright, let's look at your wheels and tires. Let's see what size we got here. 18-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. Ton of tread on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2014 Chevrolet Impala LT. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, 71,000 miles on it. This thing is well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.